Yeah, and I was going to say, some of those names actually recovered from the week's lows.
Right. Look, I think Mattel had dolls, not that good. Walmart and Costco continue to take share. They're doing quite well. I think that my take is that as long as they're doing well, costs can be held, because that's when people shop in this country.
Let's get the opening bell on this Friday in the CNBC Real-Time Exchange. And the big board is Grayscale, celebrating the listing of its GDLC ETF, the first multi-asset crypto fund in the U.S. At the NASDAQ, it's the financial services firm Sullivan Holdings doing the honors, as this has been a very solid week, Jim, even with all the hand-wringing midweek.
Oh, it sure is. And I think, I think we're beginning to realize shutdown, not as important. President does a lot of posturing to get things done. Overall, the quarter so far have been pretty good. There's not a lot of outliers that are bad. We just Honeywell. They've reported a terrific quarter. GE Vernova. These are big companies. They all reported very good numbers. I just continue to think that the industrials are underrated here. By the way, apropos of what we're listening to, JP Morgan to allow Bitcoin, Ether. Well, those I thought were cockroaches. When there's more cockroaches.
Yes.
You know, I wish that Jamie Dimon, I've been thinking about the late Gene Hackman. It's something he told me, his former partner, that I think it would have been better because he had that tricolor problem. It would have been better if he just said Gino's axiom was, sometimes you just get hacked.
Yes.
And that's what I think happened, rather than the cockroach theory, because we didn't see a lot of cockroaches. But we did see JP Morgan get hacked.